So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the ReelShort application. Now, what this application is it's basically an app that has a bunch of short videos and movies and things like that. They're kind of suited for your phone, which is really interesting. And it's rapidly becoming one of the more popular applications now. It's not quite up my alley for an application, but still, a lot of people are probably wanting to know how to use this app. So, to get started, this is what the application looks like, and you just want to go ahead and download it. Now, when you download it, you will come into this type of page. So at the top, it's just going to have a bunch of different, shows and stuff that you can immediately start watching. The way this works is that you get to watch, I think, the first episode or a couple episodes of the show. But to start watching more episodes of the show, you do have to go through and actually pay for coins and like watch ads and things like that. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now you can see right here, we have a bunch of these types of, more trending shows that are available right here. So you can go through and, choose an application or choose a show that you want to watch. So that's kind of how this one works. You also have the search button at the very top, which allows you to search for the show that you're watching. Now at the bottom, you have a couple of different tabs. You have the home tab, which will take you just straight to your home tab that you have here. If you click on the For You tab right there, this will go and take you into basically kind of like a TikTok application kind of sort of that basically shows you all these different types of, things that are basically coming out. So you'll see all these different types of shows that are available, and you can go through and choose whichever different one that you want. And if you really want to watch it, you can see people like it, you can start it, and you can swipe to this, or you can click on it to start watching the show right there. So you do have that type of capability here, and it is more or less just like a TikTok situation. So you can keep watching all these other ones that you want to watch. Now, if you click on My List, which is right here, this is the list of shows that you have for yourself. So you can go and create your own lists. You can start watching whatever shows that you want to. And you can do that straight from here again, which is another really nice thing. So you can go through here, choose whichever situation that you want to go and watch whichever show you want to watch. And that's another thing you can try doing here as well. You can also click on rewards if you want to go and start actually collecting rewards for your particular, for your application. So you can go into your check-ins, which give you different coins amounts, and if you check in every day, it increases. You can also see your benefits for today. You can see the games. If you download a game and install it, that gives you also like some coins here and there. And then you can also, I guess, if there's like a Black Friday sale, there's like an ad at the bottom as well. And finally, at the very end, there's your little profile page here. So you can go ahead and have a guest account, which I have, or you can just sign into an account. So if you want to, you can sign into an account right there, and you'll be able to go through and actually use this account this way as well. And you'll have your rewards earning right here, your list invitation code, any coupons that you have will be right there, feedback, language setting, and about us. You'll have all that stuff right here too. So you can kind of choose whatever other option you want to and kind of modify it from there. But that's basically how you use the ReelShort application. It's super basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.